day everyone. For our presentation, we will explain the use of unpacking words and teaching two-dimensional shapes in Math Grade 1. The unpacking words we use are memorize, identify, demonstrate, compare, select, and design. So remember, we use the word memorize. Memorize the simple two-dimensional shapes, triangle, rectangle, square of different size and different orientations. Okay, we use the word memorize because learning starts in memorizing and familiarizing the topic in order for the pupils to proceed in the next learning competencies. This is important because remembering names help them recognize shapes easily.
Once they know the name, children must be able to point out or recognize shapes in different sizes or orientation. Ipinapakita na hindi lamang pagsasaulo, ngunit naiintindihan din nila ang hitsura ng bawat hugis. And the second is understand why we use identify. Simple two-dimensional shapes, triangle, rectangle, square of different size and in different orientation. Why we use it, identify, recognition comes after memorization.
Identify na nila, proceed naman po tayo sa apply. We use the word demonstrate. The simple two-dimensional shape, triangle, rectangle, and square for different size and the different orientation. Ibig sabihin, nade-demonstrate na ng mga bata kung ano nga ba ang triangle, rectangle, and square sa pamamagitan ng pagguguhit.
Ayan, so next, analyze. So, we use the word compare, na kung saan, after ma-demonstrate na mga bata ang simple two-dimensional shape, so dito naman papasok yung compare, kung saan mas madadevelop ng mga bata yung tinatawag nating critical thinking, na kung saan mas mahahasa sila sa pag-compare ng mga bagay-bagay. Like, for example, this square and rectangle are the same. Meron silang apat na sides. Then, ang pinagkaiba nila is magkaiba sila ng bawat side. So, ito yung tinatawag nating compare.
The next one is evaluate. We use the word select because it shows the decision making. Select is a simple two-dimensional shapes, triangle, rectangle, square of different size and in the different orientations. Kung yung bata ay kaya na nilang pumili ng iba't ibang shapes, maiintindihan nila ito at ma-apply nila ito sa mga natutunan nila. It also prepares in their real life situations when kailangan nilang mamili ng tamang hugis or object.
After all the process, the last one is create. In create, we use the word design. In designing, pupils are encouraged to use their critical thinking imagination. Pupils use shape not just to answer but also to create pictures, patterns, and new objects.